Hey guys, welcome to this video which is about RHCE, that is Red Hat Certified Engineer. Students, those who are preparing for RHCE, this could be a better opportunity for them to watch and understand what type of questions they will be facing in the exam. So watch this entire video and practice, and I'm sure that you will score good marks. Before starting, I would like to tell you that my system is configured in a way that all the questions will be running successfully, and in your case, you can take any RHEL version and take to systems, and you can perform in the same manner. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So they will be, this is not a question, this is a kind of prerequisite. They will be asking you to configure the repository, and which is very important because after configuring the repository, only then you will be able to install packages. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go in cd etc yum dot repos.d, and I have already created a file that is local.repo. Similarly, you need to create a file local.repo. You need to write this in the bracket and give a name, base URL, which will be given in your online question paper. Enable is equal to 1, gpg check is equal to 0, and this way you can come out of the file, and you can check. Yeah, how you will check? Yum clean all, okay, and yum repo list. This way you will see that packages are already installed. It can be 3854 4307, it depends. Okay, so let's get started with the first question, and that they will be asking you to set your system in enforcing mode. Okay, so first you will check. Okay, it is already in enforcing mode, but in your exam it will not be in enforcing mode, it will be in permissive mode. Okay, this way it will be in permissive mode, so you have to change your mode to enforcing mode. And how you will do it, that is set in force 1, which will make your system in enforcing mode. Okay, and after that you have to go into the configuration file, and you have to type it manually. Yes, you have to type it manually, don't forget to type it manually, otherwise it will not change. Okay, and this way you have to come out of the file, and they will ask you to reboot. No need to reboot at this particular time. You can because further in other questions you will have to reboot, and in last also you have to reboot your system, so that time it will be done automatically. Okay, so let's come to the next question, that is they will be asking you that a particular domain should not enter your system up, and a particular domain should enter your system. That will be asked through SSH, and it will be asked as SSH configuration. So some domain should not access and some domain should access. So in that case, without going into the file, we will write echo and sshd, let's say everyone with district.example.com. Okay, redirect sign, and it can only be done hostess. Remember, this is hostess, HOSTS dot allow. Okay, and everybody be careful while changing, and everyone, let's say my1234.org. Okay, and we want to deny all this, deny. And in order to check, you can check cat etc hostess dot allow. See, you can see that without going into the file. With the help of echo command, it is already written in the file. And for hostess dot deny, see, it is also mentioned over here. So this way we have completed our two questions. Now we will go on the third question, which is they will be asking you that configure your system in such a way that traffic coming on the port 5243 of TCP protocol and from the source network should be forwarded to port number 80. Okay, should be forwarded to port number 80. So how will we do that? That can be done with the help of Rhce rule family. Okay, so that will be done with firewall cmd hyphen hyphen permanent add Rhce rule. uh, just be careful while typing. If you make single mistake, it will not happen. Okay, so be careful while doing this. Rule is a family is equal to IPv4. The source address will be given in the, and I will tell you this will not come in when you press tab. It will not come in tab. My network is 110 and my subnet is 24. Okay, and if you want to remember, so this way you can remember it. Forward, okay, forward port on which port? Okay, port number 5243. Okay, protocol, which protocol? TCP. To which port? That is 80. And don't forget to close this. Okay, this way, see, it shows success. That means whatever traffic comes to 5243 will be redirected to port 80. Okay, and don't forget to type this command, that is firewall cmd hyphen hyphen reload, to take the following changes what you have done. Okay, successful. Now if you want to check, you can check by firewall cmd hyphen hyphen list Rhce rules. Okay, this way you can check rule family, IPv4, source address, right, forward port is 5243, protocol is TCP, and it will be forwarded to port number 80. Okay, so this way we have completed our third question. Okay, let's go to the next question. But remember this, you have to it will be mentioned in the question paper that you need to perform this question on both the systems or only on one system. So you just need to see, read it properly, and accordingly you need to perform. Okay, so I am just doing on one system. You can perform according to the questions on both the system. So yes, now they will be asking you to create a command. Okay, that is qstat command. While you when you type this command, there will be some command that will be executed, and the question will be something like this. Without going into that, so the command is made only if the entry is done in etc bash rc. Okay, so I will show you without going into the, this is single inverted comma alias. The command will be given qstat, and the format will be given in the question, that you need to write ps hyphen ao, something like that will be given in your question paper. You just need to copy paste it. Better you just copy paste it. I am typing for you. Don't forget to put this single inverted comma. Most of the student makes this mistake, and they are just thinking that where I had done the mistake. So don't forget. And when you will type, when you will press tab key, if you are missing this one, and you're trying to type tab key, it will not come. So in your exam, try to use tab key, which will be very helpful for you. etc bash rc. One more, by adding a semicolon, we can add one more command into the same command. Okay, this will save our time. Source/etc bash rc. Okay, the source command is to reread what we have done, and in order to check, we need to, if you can check with the cat command. See, you can see here two entries, because I have already created previously also. So you need to q stat. Okay, see, ps command, you can see the ps command what you have given has come over here. So this way we have completed our fourth question, and now let's go to the next question, that they will be asking you to configure your system in such a way that IPv6 is configured, and it should communicate with system 2. Both the system should be configured with IPv6. So it can be done with the help of nmcli command. Okay, nmcli connection modify, whatever interface they will be asking you, eth0, eth1, you need to do on that. I have eth1 in my system. I will you try to use tab command. Okay, IPv6 address, the address will be given, so you just need to copy paste the address. Try to copy paste, don't try to type it, it will save your time as well. Okay, again I'm telling you, people, just try to copy paste it, because I am typing it here. It will save you from making mistakes. Okay, so IPv6 dot method, all this will come in tab. This manual will not come in tab, but this will come. Okay, nmcli connection up eth1. See, you can see that it is showing as connection successfully activated. In order to check in exam, what you need to do is, without this subnet mask, you need to check ping 6. Okay, see, when you do this on another system and type this command over there with ping 6, it will communicate. Okay, remember, don't type the subnet value while checking in the exam. Okay,